How to draw the legendary Pokemon, Darkrai. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making this big white piece that is the top of Darkrai's head. This drawing is a little complicated, so be sure to pause the video as you need to and to go step by step. At the bottom point, we're going to make two sharp edges. Right here on the right hand side, we're going to add in a long Z-leg shape. Nice job. Now let's move right above. We're going to extend it all the way up to the very top, and then we're going to add in three sharp like edges. So far, the top of the head is coming along very well, but we have an empty space to the right. Let's go ahead and connect this to the bottom portion. Now we're going to begin to draw the red piece around Darkrai's neck. We're going to begin on the right hand side, and we're going to start off by making a backward C-like shape, which will come to a point with a V on the bottom. On the left side of the V-like shape, we're going to add in a curved line. This won't be very long. Fantastic job! Now let's connect this curved line to the top of the head. Now we're going to move to the right hand side. We're going to begin by making an upside down C-like shape. We're going to connect the C-like shape to the top of the head of which we first made. So far, this drawing is coming along very well. I know this drawing is a little complex, but so far you're doing great. Now let's move underneath of everything that we just made, and we're going to begin to make the arm, as well as the hand. On the hand, we're going to have a total of 3 fingers. All of them will look as if they're sharp-like edges. Now right where we just finished drawing that line, we're going to draw a total of 3 sharp points. Now to close off that small empty space, we're going to make a really big shape that's going to connect to those 3 points that we previously drew together. To the left of those 3 points, I'm going to make a very small shape. It's almost going to appear as if it is half of a square. Right above that C-like shape that is the shoulder, we're going to make a second shape that is similar to the one that we previously drew, although this one will be a little bit smaller. Now, do you see those 2 V-like shapes in the middle of the page that are pointing down? We're going to go right underneath of them and make an outline. We're going to connect this all the way over to the arm. Now to draw the lower portion of the body, we're going to make a total of 8 sharp-like edges that will connect all the way over to the right arm. The third sharp edge that we make will be the largest, and it will be in the center. Are you all done drawing your sharp edges? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on the inside of this empty space up top, we're going to make a bunch of upside down V-like shapes. They will all be stacked one on top of another. Now to separate these V-like shapes from the top of the head, we're going to use a total of 2 curved lines. Next, we're going to draw the eye. We're going to make the eye by making a backward C-like shape that is bold. On the inside of this empty space, we're going to make a small oval. This will be the pupil of the eye. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Let's hop on over to the left hand side and let's begin to draw the second arm. On the left side of the line that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw a big shape. Just like how I did on the right hand side, we're going to make a total of 3 sharp points, and then we're going to begin to draw the hand as well as 3 sharp fingers. This will all be connected to the body once we're done. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw the legendary Pokemon, Darkrai. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. That means that you'll stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials. If you're interested in seeing more Pokemon drawings, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. Now be sure to stick around till the very end so that we can call our drawing together. Also, be sure to give this video a big like if it helped you out today so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Hey Untitled Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.